Prove that cos square A plus cos square of 60 degrees plus A plus cos square of 60 degrees minus A is equal to 3 by 2. So let's consider the LHS value. LHS value is cos square A plus cos square of 60 degrees plus A plus cos square of 60 degrees minus A. We know that cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the formula. See, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here we have single theta. In the formula we have 2 theta by 2. So if we apply here, first one cos square theta, first one cos square A. So theta is equal to A. Here theta is equal to A. Second one also same, but here theta is 60 degrees plus A. So here theta is equal to 60 degrees plus A. Third one also same, but the theta value is 60 degrees minus A. So theta is equal to 60 degrees minus A. Apply this formula here. That is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta, but first one has only A. So A by 2. Here plus cos square 60 degrees plus A. Here in the formula cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here the theta value is 60 degrees plus A. So 1 plus cos 2 into theta, second one theta is 60 degrees plus A. So 60 degrees plus A whole by 2 plus, between these two we have plus, so write the plus as it is, and here also cos square 60 degrees minus A. Here the theta value is 60 degrees minus A. Substitute theta is equal to 60 degrees minus A in the formula. So 1 plus cos 2 into theta value is 60 degrees minus, here we have A. So A whole upon 2. That is equal to, split the denominator, first one second one. Here also first one second one, first one second one. So 1 by 2 plus cos 2A by 2 plus, here also 1 by 2 plus cos 2 into, multiply 2 into 60, 120 degrees plus 2 into A, 2A by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus cos of, here multiply 2 into 60, 120 degrees minus 2 into A, 2A whole by 2. Observe, this is the constant, this is the constant, this is the constant. So this wave function is constant value. So write this one first, 1 by 2 plus second one is 1 by 2 plus third one is 1 by 2 plus this is the first one, that is cos 2A by 2. This is the second one, that is cos of 120 degrees plus 2A by 2 plus this is the third one, that is cos of 120 degrees minus 2A by 2. That is equal to, see, first one denominator 2, second one denominator 2, third one denominator 2. So LCM is 2. Add the numerators, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, here first one denominator 1 by 2, here also 2, here also taking common 2 here, the remaining is cos 2A plus cos of 120 degrees plus 2A plus cos of 120 degrees minus 2A. This is the same. See, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus here is 1 by 2 whole into, the remaining is cos 2A plus into cos of, plus cos of 120 degrees plus 2A plus cos of 120 degrees minus 2A. See, observe this one only, cos of 120 degrees plus 2a plus cos of 120 degrees minus 2a. Here we have one formula, that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. See, the formula is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. If compare these two, here is cos a plus b, here is 120 plus 2a. So a is equal to 120, b is equal to 2a. Next, in the formula plus, here also plus. The formula here we have cos, here also cos. Here is a minus b, here is 120 minus 2a. So a is equal to 120 degrees and b is equal to 2a. Substitute a is equal to 120 in the formula and b is equal to a in the formula. First of all, write down this as it is. That is equal to, here we have 3 by 2 plus here we have 1 by 2 multiple into cos 2a is as it is. This is the formula. So if we apply this formula here, it will be 2 into cos a. Cos a value is 120 degrees, cos 120 degrees into cos b b value is 2a. That is equal to, this is as it is, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2a plus 2 into cos 120 degrees. See, 120, we can write this 120 is 180 degrees minus 180 minus 60 degrees. Am I right? Because why we are writing 120 is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 is in second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here 0 to 90 degrees, here 90 to 180 degrees, here in the third quadrant 180 to 270, in the fourth quadrant 272 to 360 degrees. So here we have 120, it is in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant we can write this 120 is 180 minus 60 degrees. So instead of 120, write 180 minus 60. So here cos is same into 120 is 180 minus 60 degrees into this is the same, that is cos 2a. That is equal to, this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole into cos 2a plus 2. See, this is cos of 180 minus 60 degrees. See, this is all first, in the first quadrant all are positive values. The second quadrant only s terms, means sine or cos. So this is the sine and cosine. Here is cos, so this is the negative value. In the second quadrant only s terms are positive, remaining values are negative. So here cos of 180 minus 60, this is in the second quadrant and this is the cos, so this has the negative value, minus cos 60 degrees into cos 2a. See, let's see here, cos of 180 minus theta is equal to 180, means in the second quadrant, this is cos. So when we have cos and 180 degrees, you just write minus cos theta only, because this is the cos. Cos is in the second quadrant, cos has negative value, so this is same. If we compare these two, here 180, here theta, here is 60, so theta is equal to 60 degrees. So if we apply formula here, this is minus cos is same, theta value is 60 degrees. That is equal to, this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole into, this is cos 2a plus into minus 2 into cos 60, 2 into cos 60 degrees into cos 2a into cos 2a. We know that cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So here cos 60, substitute cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to, here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole into, here we have cos 2a is as it is minus 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 2a. 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2a minus 1 into cos 2a is cos 2a. See, cos 2a minus cos 2a gets cancelled. So, which is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. That is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Therefore, cos square a plus cos square of 60 degrees plus a plus cos square 60 degrees minus a is equal to 3 by 2. Hence, it is proved.